Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that we need to turn on the speaker and enter to pairing mode. We have two options how to enter pairing mode. If your speaker do not connect it with another devices, we need to only turn on the speaker and it will enter to pairing mode automatically. So let's do this. Just press and hold power button at the top. Here we go, and now it entered to pairing mode. We know it by the LED light was blinking blue. But also, you can enter to pairing mode manually by press one time at the Bluetooth button. So you press on it, you will hear this prompt, it means that you enter to pairing mode. After that, we need to connect the speaker, so click connect near to the speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!